CoreTRM Online Training. Introduction to CoreTRM, Overview and Key Features. CoreTRM is a comprehensive trade and risk management (TRM) platform designed to support commodity trading, risk management, and logistics operations. It is widely used by companies dealing in commodities such as energy, metals, and agricultural products. CoreTRM provides tools to streamline the complex processes involved in trading, from deal capture to settlement, while also offering advanced analytics for risk management and regulatory compliance. Overview of CoreTRM. CoreTRM is a modular and flexible solution that integrates the various aspects of commodity trading into a unified system. It is designed to handle the entire life cycle of a trade, including front, middle, and back-office operations. CoreTRM's architecture enables seamless data flow and real-time insights, making it easier for traders, risk managers, and operations teams to collaborate and make informed decisions. Key features of CoreTRM. Deal capture and management. CoreTRM allows for the quick and accurate capture of trading deals across various commodities. It supports complex trade structures, including derivatives and options. The system provides real-time updates and reporting on deal statuses, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the trading life cycle. Risk management. CoreTRM offers sophisticated risk management tools, including value at risk, VAR, stress testing, and scenario analysis. It helps companies assess market risk, credit risk, and operational risk, allowing them to mitigate exposure and take proactive measures. Logistics and operations management. Integrated logistics functionality supports the management of physical deliveries, inventory, and storage. Users can track shipments, manage freight costs, and optimize the supply chain for efficient delivery and cost control. Position and exposure management. Provides real-time visibility into position limits, exposures, and potential market fluctuations. This feature enables traders to optimize their positions and reduce exposure to unfavorable market conditions. Regulatory compliance and reporting. CoreTRM facilitates compliance with industry regulations, offering automated reporting features and auditing capabilities to meet regulatory requirements like MiFID2, EMIR, and Dodd-Frank. Mark-to-market, MTM, valuation. The platform supports real-time mark-to-market valuation for accurate pricing of open positions, enabling businesses to measure performance and profitability at any given time. Hedge accounting. CoreTRM includes hedge accounting capabilities, ensuring that hedging strategies are properly aligned with accounting standards, helping to reduce volatility in financial statements. Multi-currency and multi-commodity support. It can handle multiple commodities and currencies, which is crucial for businesses operating across borders and markets, simplifying the management of cross-currency risk and hedging. CoreTRM architecture, understanding the platform structure. CoreTRM, core trading and risk management, architecture is designed to support the complex needs of commodity trading and risk management. Its platform structure typically includes the following components. 1. Application layer. User interface, UI. This layer offers user-friendly tools for trading, risk management, and reporting. It usually supports web-based access, and sometimes desktop applications, enabling users to interact with the system for data entry, analysis, and reporting. Business logic. This core functionality implements trading, risk assessment, contract management, and accounting processes. It includes rules and workflows for trade execution, settlement, and compliance. 2. Data layer. Data storage. Database CoreTRM uses relational databases, example Oracle, SQL Server, or PostgreSQL, to store structured data related to trades, contracts, market data, and risk metrics. Data integration integrates with external data sources such as market data providers, exchanges, and ERP systems for seamless import and export of data. APIs or connectors are often used to interface with third-party platforms. 3. Risk analytics and reporting layer. Risk models implements advanced analytics to evaluate exposure, counterparty risk, and market risk. It handles real-time pricing, position management, and value at risk (VAR) calculations. Reporting engine generates detailed reports and dashboards for traders, managers, and auditors. It supports regulatory compliance and offers insights into trading performance and risk exposure. 4. Integration layer. APIs and middleware supports integration with external systems such as financial systems, logistics, and other enterprise applications. Middleware ensures smooth data flow across different systems in real time. Real-time data feeds incorporates live market feeds, pricing, and economic indicators that are critical for commodity trading decisions. 5. Security and compliance layer. Access control. Role-based access management ensures that users only access the parts of the system relevant to their roles, example, traders, risk analysts, auditors. Compliance and audit trails ensures the platform adheres to industry regulations with comprehensive audit logs and reporting capabilities. It can also integrate with compliance frameworks for monitoring trading activity. 6. Deployment layer. On-premises cloud infrastructure. CoreTRM can be deployed on-premises or hosted on cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or private clouds. This flexibility allows for scalability and performance optimization depending on business needs. Microservices containerization. Some modern implementations of CoreTRM may use microservices architecture and containerization, example Docker, Kubernetes, to ensure modularity, scalability, and resilience. 7. Performance monitoring. Monitoring tools. This layer provides real-time system health checks, performance monitoring, and logging. Tools like Elasticstack, Grafana, or custom monitoring solutions are typically employed to track performance and detect anomalies. CoreTRM for commodity trade management. CoreTRM is a specialized commodity trading and risk management (CTRM) software platform designed to handle the complex needs of commodity trading organizations. It supports a wide range of commodities, including oil, gas, metals, and agricultural products, providing real-time insights into trading, risk, and logistics operations. Here are some of its core functionalities. 1. Trade capture and management. CoreTRM allows traders to capture trades across multiple commodities with a flexible and customizable interface. It provides real-time trade status tracking and comprehensive trade life cycle management, from execution to settlement. 2. Risk management. The platform includes risk analysis tools that help traders manage price volatility, counterparty risk, credit risk, and operational risk. It supports value at risk (VAR) calculations, position limits, and scenario analysis, helping firms assess and manage their exposure to market risks. 3. Position management. CoreTRM gives a consolidated view of positions across different markets and commodities. It provides real-time updates to inventory, logistics, and contracts, allowing for quick decision-making. 4. Logistics and operations. The software includes detailed functionality for logistics planning and execution, including vessel scheduling, storage, and transportation management. Integration with third-party logistics and inventory management systems ensures smooth operations. 5. Compliance and reporting. CoreTRM helps traders comply with regulatory requirements, including financial reporting and adherence to industry standards. It offers customizable reporting tools that deliver insights into financial performance, risk exposure, and operational efficiency. 6. Financials and accounting. The platform can integrate with ERP systems to manage invoicing, payments, and settlement processes. It supports multi-currency and multi-company transactions, which is essential for global commodity trading. 7. Integration and customization. CoreTRM is highly customizable and can be integrated with other trading systems, ERP systems, and risk management tools. Its flexibility allows it to adapt to the unique needs of each commodity trading business, enabling integration with market data providers and other relevant systems. Risk management and compliance with CoreTRM. CoreTRM, Trading and Risk Management, is a specialized platform designed for managing commodity trading, including risk management and compliance functions. Here's an overview of how risk management and compliance work in CoreTRM. 1. Risk management features. Market risk management. CoreTRM allows organizations to monitor exposure to commodity price fluctuations, foreign exchange risks, and interest rates. It provides tools to manage position tracking, real-time tracking of positions across commodities and portfolios. Value at risk, VAR, calculations, assess the potential loss in value of a portfolio due to market movements over a specified time. Stress testing and scenario analysis simulates market conditions to evaluate potential impacts on the portfolio. Credit risk management. CoreTRM integrates credit risk analysis tools to evaluate counterparties. Features include credit exposure limits, monitoring exposure to counterparties against set limits. Credit scoring and rating, integration of external credit rating data with internal credit assessments. Operational risk management. CoreTRM helps track and minimize operational risks by automating workflows and ensuring compliance with trading limits, internal approvals, and audit trails. 2. Compliance features. Regulatory compliance. CoreTRM supports regulatory reporting for different jurisdictions. This is critical for compliance with financial and commodity trading regulations such as Dodd-Frank Act, USA, EMIR, European Market Infrastructure Regulation. MiFID II, Markets in Financial Instruments Directive. Audit trails and reporting. CoreTRM maintains detailed audit logs of all transactions and modifications. This helps in traceability, tracking changes made in contracts, positions, or risk parameters. Regulatory reporting, automatic generation of regulatory reports to ensure adherence to compliance requirements. KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, Anti-Money Laundering. CoreTRM integrates compliance checks related to KYC and AML regulations, ensuring that counterparties are vetted and cleared before transactions. Contractual compliance. By automating contract management, CoreTRM ensures adherence to contract terms, payment schedules, and delivery obligations, reducing the risk of contractual disputes. 3. Risk analytics and reporting. CoreTRM provides comprehensive reporting capabilities, giving users insights into risk metrics, potential exposure, and compliance status. Customizable dashboards. Users can create custom dashboards for real-time monitoring of key risk indicators and compliance requirements. CoreTRM for physical and financial trades. CoreTRM is a specialized platform for managing commodity trading, risk management, and logistics for physical and financial trades. It is designed to cater to the needs of companies involved in trading commodities such as energy, metals, and agriculture. Here's an overview of how CoreTRM helps with physical and financial trades. 1. Physical trades management. Trade capture. CoreTRM allows users to capture the details of physical commodity trades, including the type of commodity, quantity, delivery terms, and counterparties. Logistics and operations. It tracks the logistics involved in the delivery of commodities, such as shipping schedules, warehouse storage, and transportation, ensuring timely fulfillment of contracts. Inventory management. Users can monitor stock levels, manage storage costs, and optimize inventory positions to reduce costs and risks. Contract management. It handles contracts related to physical trades, ensuring that all contractual obligations are tracked and compliance is met. 2. Financial trades management. Derivatives and hedging. CoreTRM supports financial instruments like futures, options, and swaps, allowing traders to hedge their exposure to price fluctuations in the commodity market. Trade capture and valuation. It enables the capture of financial trade details and provides real-time valuation for these trades based on market data. Risk management. The platform offers comprehensive risk management tools to measure exposure across physical and financial trades, providing insights into market, credit, and operational risks. Mark-to-market. It allows for daily mark-to-market valuation of financial positions, giving traders a clear view of their current profit and loss. 3. Risk and compliance. VAR, Value at Risk. CoreTRM calculates VAR to assess the potential losses in trading positions, helping companies understand their exposure and adjust strategies accordingly. Stress testing. The system can run stress tests to evaluate how extreme market conditions could impact trading positions. Compliance and reporting. It provides tools to ensure regulatory compliance and generate reports for internal and external stakeholders. 4. Integration and analytics. Integration with market data. CoreTRM integrates with market data providers to fetch real-time prices and updates for more accurate trade valuations. Analytics and reporting. The platform includes advanced analytics capabilities for generating trade, risk, and financial reports, providing key insights into trade performance and risk exposures. 5. End-to-end trade life cycle support. CoreTRM covers the entire life cycle of a trade from trade capture to settlement, supporting back-office operations like invoicing, settlement, and reconciliation for both physical and financial trades. CoreTRM integration with ERP systems. CoreTRM, Commodity Trading and Risk Management, integration with ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, systems is essential for organizations to manage their commodity trading activities while ensuring seamless business operations across finance, supply chain, and procurement. Here's how CoreTRM integrates with ERP systems. 1. Real-time data exchange. CoreTRM integrates with ERP systems for real-time data synchronization. Data such as trade transactions, inventory levels, pricing, and financial data, example revenue, expenses, is exchanged, allowing both systems to stay updated. For example, when a trade is executed in CoreTRM, financial entries are automatically posted to the ERP, ensuring accurate financial reporting. 2. Financial reconciliation. Integration helps in automating financial reconciliation processes. CoreTRM sends trade-related financial data, including invoicing, payments, and settlements, to ERP for reconciliation with actual payments and accounting processes. 3. Supply chain coordination. CoreTRM integration with ERP enhances supply chain visibility. By syncing logistics data such as shipments, deliveries, and inventory, companies can optimize supply chain operations and ensure that commodity movements are accurately tracked. 4. Risk management and compliance. Risk exposure data from CoreTRM can be shared with ERP for a comprehensive view of financial risk. This includes currency risks, credit risks, and price volatility. Compliance data related to commodity trading can also be sent to ERP for regulatory reporting. 5. Automation of contracts and settlements. CoreTRM's contract management functionality can be integrated with ERP systems to automate contract execution and settlement processes, ensuring accurate billing and invoicing. 6. Reporting and analytics. Integration allows combining trading data from CoreTRM with broader business data from ERP systems for consolidated reporting and advanced analytics. This is crucial for gaining insights into profitability, market performance, and risk exposure across the entire business. 7. ERP systems supported. SAP ERP. CoreTRM integrates with SAP for financial and supply chain management, leveraging SAP's advanced reporting and analytics tools. Oracle ERP. Integration with Oracle ERP provides robust financial management, procurement, and supply chain capabilities that complement CoreTRM's trading functionality. Microsoft Dynamics. CoreTRM integrates with Microsoft Dynamics for streamlining financial operations, trade accounting, and commodity management. 8. Benefits of integration. Improved efficiency. By automating data transfer between CoreTRM and ERP systems, businesses reduce manual processes, improve accuracy, and enhance decision-making. Enhanced risk management. Real-time data sharing improves risk visibility across both trading and financial operations. Scalability. Integration supports business growth by enabling the seamless management of increased trade volumes and complexity. Advanced analytics and reporting in CoreTRM. Advanced analytics and reporting in CoreTRM, commodity trading and risk management, enable businesses to gain valuable insights into their trading activities, market exposures, and risks. CoreTRM's capabilities are designed to help organizations make data-driven decisions by utilizing the power of real-time analytics, customized reporting, and advanced data visualization techniques. Here's a breakdown of how CoreTRM facilitates these features. 1. Real-time data analysis. CoreTRM integrates real-time data from various sources, such as market prices, trading positions, and risk metrics, providing traders and managers with up-to-date insights. By continuously monitoring market movements, companies can assess market volatility and adjust their strategies based on real-time signals, leading to more informed decisions. 2. Customizable dashboards and reporting. CoreTRM allows users to create custom dashboards tailored to their specific requirements. These dashboards can include visualizations like graphs, tables, and KPIs. Reports can be scheduled or generated on demand, giving stakeholders immediate access to performance data such as profit and loss, P&L, exposure reports, and market trends. Users can create different report types, from basic summaries to more advanced risk, compliance, and audit reports, all customizable to focus on relevant data points. 3. Risk analytics. CoreTRM's advanced analytics help organizations manage risks associated with commodity trading, such as price risk, credit risk, and operational risk. Tools for value at risk, VAR, calculations, scenario analysis, and stress testing are often incorporated to evaluate how market changes could impact the portfolio. Risk analytics provide insights into how positions, hedges, and market fluctuations affect the overall risk profile. 4. Advanced data visualization. Using interactive charts and visualizations, CoreTRM enables users to explore and interpret complex data sets. Heat maps, trend lines, and geographic mapping can be used to highlight key performance metrics, market trends, and trading volumes. This feature enhances decision-making by transforming raw data into easily digestible formats. 5. Predictive analytics and machine learning. CoreTRM systems can integrate predictive analytics to forecast market trends, prices, and potential disruptions. By using machine learning algorithms, CoreTRM can improve trading strategies over time. Historical data is used to identify patterns and correlations, which can help in pricing strategies, hedging, and portfolio management. 6. Integration with external data sources. CoreTRM connects with external sources like commodity exchanges, market data providers, and ERP systems to bring in critical market data. These integrations provide the basis for multidimensional analytics, where users can analyze the impact of various external and internal factors on trading performance. 7. Regulatory and compliance reporting. Advanced reporting features also help organizations stay compliant with regulations. CoreTRM allows for the generation of audit-ready reports to ensure that trading and risk management activities adhere to local and international standards. The system tracks all trade-related activities, ensuring transparency and enabling quick reporting for audits or regulatory reviews. Why choose Proexcellency for CoreTRM Online Training? Proexcellency is a notable provider of online training for CoreTRM, commodity trade and risk management due to several key reasons. Expert trainers, Proexcellency offers courses led by experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of CoreTRM, providing practical insights and real-world scenarios. Flexible learning options. Their training programs are available online, making it convenient for professionals who wish to learn at their own pace without disrupting their work schedules. Comprehensive curriculum. Proexcellency's CoreTRM courses cover a wide range of topics, from basic to advanced modules, including trading, risk management, logistics, and financial processes specific to commodities. Hands-on experience. The courses are designed to provide hands-on experience with CoreTRM tools and platforms, giving learners the opportunity to practice on real-time cases. Certification. Upon completion of the course, participants receive a certification that is recognized in the industry, boosting career opportunities. Personalized support. Proexcellency provides one-on-one support to address queries and doubts, ensuring that learners receive individualized attention to fully grasp the CoreTRM concepts. Thank you.